Good morning, Astrolifers. So I hope you've had a great weekend, and I really hope it was nice. We actually had an awesome aspect with Venus and Neptune that were aligned. You're still feeling it today, huh? So if you feeling there's love or beauty or you feel good next to the river or next to the sea and you're really feeling good, it's normal, huh? I took off on an island. I needed a ball of fresh air yesterday to recharge, so we went there, huh? We went next to the, well, not next to the sea, we were on the sea literally with the ferry. So yes, it was a really nice break. So when it's like that, make sure you recharge your batteries and that you enjoy. So today, if you still have time to go for a walk next to the water, just do that. It will recharge you even more. But anyway, Venus is there as well, which is really beautiful, so just enjoy. So we've got some great vibrations, and those vibrations are going to be like that, yes, all week. So the first one is we also have at the end of the week, but I will say you can start feeling it from the 13th. I would say we've got Neptune, which is going to be also in trine, which means harmony. So I'm doing an event just this week. There's a reason for that, obviously, with those beautiful aspects. So we're keeping on the good vibration with Venus and Neptune, that they are so strong, you will still feel them. And also we have a beautiful aspect. So Mars is business, Neptune is the feelings and understanding others and caring with others and all that, and in trine is really harmony, so that's good for business. It's a beautiful time to have an event. We have also Jupiter by the end of this week, on the 14-15, that is going to be bringing good fortune. So there's going to be a trine with Uranus, the planet of surprises. So be ready this week to have some news. And depending where Uranus is in the next 7 years, where it's supporting you and looking after you, you are going to have a surprise there. So that is absolutely awesome as well. You can't find better than that. And that is going to be active from the 12th, 11, 12 to the 16th. We've got beautiful aspects. So this week is just absolutely amazing. That's all I can say. I mean, everything is aligned. Yes, Venus, Neptune, we've got trines, we've got Jupiter coming in. It's just beautiful, and it's going to go crescendo. I told you the best day of the month of the year even is the 27th of December. I just find out that a beautiful couple is getting married on that date. They actually chose that date because of that. I love it. Stories like that just really fill up my heart, and I'm so happy I can help people to have a beautiful time and a beautiful day. So what's happening this week? Well, you know what, you don't want to be missing that Christmas party. I think we've got even more than 20,000 prizes to come and win. So just come over. There's going to be this huge raffle. I've changed the venue because we needed bigger. There's a lot of people coming. We're going to be dancing, there's going to be some healing, there's going to be some good dates for 2020 and heaps of things. You can come and join us at 5 p.m. Just let me know if you're coming, so I can just tell the Japanese restaurant that we will be there for dinner. And then after that, the room will be open from 6 p.m. And yes, there's Faith as well coming up, and that's going to be really amazing. And she's going to be talking about the BB She's one of my first elite who signed up. So yes, we're going to have a beautiful event, and we're going to have a beautiful raffle. It's going to be awesome. And yes, you will be able to meet the elites. And yes, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I can't wait. It's huge, it's big, it's awesome. I'm also doing the retreat of the children, so not this week obviously, but the week after. I've hired a beautiful house next to the river. You can still come and drop your kids off. There's beautiful activities. It's going to be fantastic. There's Lauren coming. There's Mark Bright coming. There's so music, art, creativity, being connected to the land, to the trees. There's crystals healings. There's Fossey King. There's going to be yeah, there's so many activities. The kids, they definitely won't be bored. Beautiful group. Some people coming from very far away to join us. So thank you for that as well. And yes, so look, it's just going fantastic. I've got nothing bad to say, no warning, no nothing. It's just going to get better. And I just want you to enjoy that time. Yes, do all the things that you have to do and have a positive time and positive week. I still have room as well for Nouméa New Caledonia, but I'm going to have to shut it this week. So if anyone else wants to join us, let me know this week. It's just because of the organization and the food and all that. So that's going to be an awesome time as well. Astrolab is going to be shut. We're going to be shut from the 23rd and until January, but I will finish the last readings that have been ordered between the 13th of January to the 17th of January, because I've got a week without my children. They will be with their dads, so I've got that time free where he's going to be looking after them, so I can finish all the readings that I've got to finish. And then after that, my time will be really focused on the elites. We are excited. We're doing a lot of things that will be done during that time off, and then but you will hear all about it. It's going to be fantastic. So that's it. Enjoy your time, enjoy your week, have a great fantastic time. Go and walk next to the water if you can. It's going to recharge everything because of Neptune. It is the planet of the sea, so of course the Pisces will have a beautiful time. But even anyone, just go over there, recharge. It's going to give you everything. Next to the water will be awesome. That's it. Take care, and I shall see you on Wednesday. Huge party. It's going to be awesome with DJ, music, and everything. See you soon. Bye everyone. Bye.